hear you say Sun City is getting too far. Look at these graves. Look at these graves. Beneath some of these graves are dreams that never came true. Talents that were never used. Ideas that were never implemented. Should I call this place the richest place on earth? I, Shakar, will never die until I've made my full contribution to the world. The greatest tragedy in life is not death, but life that never realized its full potential. This is Shakar style. When we learn to tolerate our differences, we can celebrate it. Some are quiet and inward, but they have their own strengths and weaknesses. The likes of Shakar are noisy on campus, but without us, the campus is boring and dead. After all, there's no monopoly over folly. Oh.
The vicious cycle of human rights abuse we suffer today.
Brother, this it be school life.
Oh, the school is a microcosm of the society. It is supposed to epitomize the finer parts of life. Mass action must give way to reasoned behavior.
No, Charlie, make you not can try any of your insults for here.
Take it easy.
Oh, come up for that. Oh, mommy. Oh, he thinks say he have sense past everybody. You be VC.
Man needs laws to enjoy freedom. With pending ban, how are we going to enjoy ourselves and relieve tension?
gentlemen, what is going on here?
Don't you have eyes?
And you, Martin, what's the meaning of this? Oh, so you have turned the room into a disco already, eh?
Look here. I advise you to show some respect for my guest and I. You hear?
Excuse me, and excuse me again. Respect must be earned and not taken for granted. Understand?
Let me straighten him up, man.
He did not do us. He did not.
Cool down. You make a deal with them.
I have spent the whole day at Kolebu Teaching Hospital, only to come to my room for some rest and recuperation. What do I get? Total chaos and disturbance.
Utter rubbish. You've been to Kolebu and so what? In the end, who will be called a doctor? Me? And as a matter of fact, you and your kind, self-righteous and self-important types, are the bane of this country. After you've been trained at a higher cost and at public expense, what do? Vamoose to the nearest destination, where you sell your skill to the highest bidder. Shakar is not a boxer, but believe that though a man cannot predict the future, man must prepare for it.
Who born twins by mistake? Oh, won't that?
You guys, what is funny? You've just had something to eat, eh?
Don't be funny, you disgraceful old man. You need to be castrated.
Efoleke. Why do you want to form a Yongo 11 or what? I hear you are pregnant with number 7.
What are you talking about? Do I look pregnant? Why? Is this a circus or what?
Yes, a circus. The story of your life.
Watch that mouth of yours, eh? You are very lucky. I would have taught you a lesson. You are lucky I'm no longer in my heydays.
You guys chill. Yeah. Ozzy, you have a baggage waiting for you at the JCR.
Baggage?
Oh, you what? Why is anything the matter? Hey.
The preparations continue. I don't know when Prof. Tete will give me a blow.
That's my name. Professor Abednego Tete Ashong. Respond present to your name. Teddy Bodo.
Present.
John Bowler.
Buaila, I'm around.
Respond present. John Boiler.
Buaila. Present, sir.
I am not sir. I am Professor Abednego Tete Ashong. Is that right?
Yep.
You want to be stubborn? Godfred Ayango.
Present.
Abiganaba.
Present.
So, it is you people who have decided to try your hands on analytical statistics, eh? I promise you, half of you will fail. I will need a receipt, and a quarter will abandon the program midstream.
Oh,
like Prof. Tete will always have themselves to blame. It's an advice.
Enemy of progress. EOP. You guys must be very careful with this Professor Tete man.
Wait. What's your problem?
Peace and love. There is no need to create enemies for oneself. Let us live in a spirit of brotherliness. On vacation, Shakar visits brethren and make some money selling fools.
Charlie brothers, so that be you. This vacation between here and the factory, that be my bank. You know, then some.
Oyiwa.
Alright, Jack. Not bad. I'm sure you met these guys.
Yes, Shakar
Yeah.
and Mao.
I was just about to see them off here. So you step right in and I'll be with you, okay?
Alright. Okay, guys. I'll see you.
Alright.
Yeah, what's up? Black Mamba. So your small thing be that?
Make you no jump into any hasty conclusions. So.
But you, what be that? Charlie, if trouble come, me, I know the inside.
Trouble
Just count
no
me out.
come. Trouble no
Moreover, Charlie, me, you know, say I trail 2 papers. Must have for learn. I had to go to the library with Charlie. Charlie,
About the woman, oh, Charlie.
whosoever did get a paid, he shall fall in
come on
it.
for them, nothing.
Fall in it.
These guys, you're right, there be power.
Hey, let me bring my motorbikes.
The small right now. Oh, and the master.
This one, if I get people.
But if you dey go safe, Charlie, this thing, someone's body fear. They do something for Kwacha in body too much. Forgive with the thing. But you be good thing, oh. 2 hour thing, we they give you this price to you. They do for like that. Charlie, me for do a fast food just.
No be Jacqueline girl that.
Charlie, the baby no bad though. Hey boys.
What should they do for you?
I sure would love to find out.
I go track her down.
Oh.
Track her down. Watch this.
Hey, mommy.
It's been a long time.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine. And
I've
you?
been in school.
Oh, Nancy, my way, Muko school money
Say
FO.
your mom.
That's good.
Hey, you know your money me feel.
Unim say me share that I select mamu. Enti shame.
Hey, mommy.
What dey shame na you be?
Wow, what dey yes na.
Me say, have a fatal
Mommy, no,
say.
so dey ina me share one.
Utu ejine mu awo.
You be from.
Wa she. Ahun fe na ton ni hu. E fe.
I me share white one.
Ano so be fatal pa.
Hey, very fine.
Papa.
This girl I go show her mafia.
Jackie.
Jackie.
This was the genesis of the famous Foes saga. Hoo-ha!
Yeah, let's get the bigger one. I think
Hi, Georgette.
Look at you.
Hey.
Where have you been?
I've been around.
How are you?
I'm fine. But as for you,
Why, what is it?
she's being a bad friend.
What did I do?
At least you could have told me you were coming to shop.
Charlie, it was an impromptu thing. Charlie, we have a lecture.
Okay, all right. Hey, that reminds me.
What is it?
It's good I met you two. I don't even know how to say this. Oh.
Well, what is it? Hey, this girl is always full of surprise. Tell us, what is it this time?
The guys, they are spreading very damaging rumors about you, Jackie.
About who? Me? That what? What have I done?
Well, I overheard them talking yesterday.
About what? Hurry up, oh.
They said that all that you wear is false.
Me? Where false? Hey, tell me. Who said that? Is this false? Is this false? No, tell me. Who? What kind of nonsense is this?
Okay.
Cool down. No,
Oh,
tell
okay.
me. Who are those? Who are those?
All right.
Cool down, my
I'll tell
dear.
you.
Cool
I'll
down.
tell you.
Cool down.
There
Cool down,
were
cool
four
down.
of them. Okay, there were four of them. The one who was doing most of the damage is the fat one. I mean, Marlon.
Ha! This guy is dead.
He really crucified you.
I say, I mean, I go run Khadija. What you guys talk?
Oh, you don't go fit.
Why I not go fit?
Even me self, I know you thought I go run up.
Charlie, the last time I wave you don't see.
This one, the beat. That's why I know beside the put him down. Jacqueline Kusi self, you know if you run. Then Khadija.
Charlie, if you are talking about women, who be Jacqueline Kusi?
Force.
I'm like the party, no. Blow up.
You wanna know?
I wanna know.
Shakar, the Zulu king, and I, Malonti, saw our Miss Jacqueline Kusi, Magajia of Sun City, buying Fool's brazier.
Yes. Filanana, they buy fools.
Say what?
So?
Benefit effect.
Coherent man.
Filanana, pow. Filanana.
This one CNN, BBC, Rocha Bella, OAU, and the rest.
Where your friend?
So, it became news on campus.
What the? Can I see your roommate, please? No, I prefer to wait outside. Thank you.
Miss Foskusi would fight back to redeem her name.
Can I help you?
I hear that you have been spreading wild rumors about me, calling me names, huh?
Excuse me, so what?
Well, I don't care for the validity or otherwise of the things you've been saying about me. But I tell you this, do you know that I can destroy you? Do you know?
Destroy who? Me? Malonti?
It is you who have been writing love letters to the first year students, huh? Those cheap love letters copied from songs. Am I lying? You don't like the sound of it, do you? Good. I have a copy of that pathetic letter, And I am warning you, henceforth, if ever I hear any of you or your so-called friends call me names or use the word fool in relation to me, you are dead. You. I mean it, and I'm telling you. Trust me. I will make a photocopy and circulate this letter to everybody on campus.
You know what?
Well, you think about it. I will be back. Nonsense.
Charlie, what I want?
Charlie, nothing much, man. Nothing much.
But I thought I heard her shaking you down.
She's just mad about the full story, that's all.
She got some nerves, huh?
She may have a point. No.
What are you talking about?
I mean, those stories were framed up by myself. I didn't see her buy any brazier from any fools.
They'll not be Shakar. If I guess me, then you go see her for there.
At the rats, yes. But I didn't see her buy anything.
So you've been lying all along?
Not like that.
Gee, impossible.
Shakar's real name is Nana Yausa Abuaje. He's currently a teaching assistant at the Department of Visual Arts, University of Ghana, Legon. Shakar believes that success becomes an enemy when you settle for what you have. The best of wishes for the year 2005. Keep on watching Science TV. The best is yet to come. Mwah.